Let us engage in a captivating discourse on the topic of Jicama within the context of this video. I shall expound upon the myriad health benefits while also delving into the diverse methods of consumption. For further information, click on the links provided below. If you want to support this channel and see more videos like this,
subscribe.
Jicama's origin can be traced to the ancient lands of Mexico and Central America. This botanical specimen was first encountered by the intrepid Spanish explorers during their sojourns. The Aztecs, known for their deep understanding of the botanical realm, employed it not only as a delectable food source, but also as a botanical remedy. It was not until the epoch of the colonialism that the world began to cultivate this botanical specimen. Jicama's attributes of being low in calorie and high in water content render it an excellent selection for individuals seeking to embark on a weight management journey. A single cup of Jicama imparts a modest energy yield of 49 kilocalories. The copious presence of dietary fiber facilitates healthy bowel regularity while also contributes to the modulation of cholesterol levels. Furthermore, due to the presence of inulin, a prebiotic compound, it contributes to the modulation of gut microbiota. Jicama contains vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant. In addition, vitamin C supports the health of the skin, bones, and the immune system. Jicama's inherent anti-inflammatory properties bestow upon it the potential to mitigate the risk of chronic ailments, such as cardiovascular disease and diabetes. There exists a plethora of diverse culinary techniques and methods to partake in the consumption of Jicama. It can be savored in its raw form, serving as a delightful addition to salads or veggie platters. Or it can be exquisitely prepared through techniques such as roasting or stir-frying, rendering it a delectable side dish. It can be sliced and prepared in the oven, yielding a delectable alternative to the traditional French fries. And finally, it can be artfully blended to create a luscious and invigorating juice.
Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, and much more.